New York City, land of ambition, hustle, and limitless earning potential. But let's be real. Here, it's not just about working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about recognizing the right opportunities and mastering the skills that turn effort into income. From high-paying part-time jobs and flexible freelancing gigs to side hustles and government-backed resources, this is your no-fluff, boots-on-the-ground guide to making money in NYC. Whether you're a student, an immigrant, a struggling worker, or a pro looking to level up, there's a path forward. And here's the best part. Many of these opportunities don't require a college degree or years of experience. At City Unlocked 360, we don't just skim the surface. We go deep into how cities really work and how you can thrive in this urban jungle. The power of flexible work in NYC, New York runs on hustle, but not only the 9-to-5 kind. More than 4.5 million people rely on part-time jobs, freelancing, and side hustles. This is not just a trend, it's a way of life. Students manage classes alongside flexible shifts. Immigrants break into the workforce through gigs. Single parents balance family responsibilities with sustainable income streams. And professionals build side hustles on top of full-time jobs, growing their wealth quickly. Freelancing has completely changed the game. Set your own rates, choose your clients, work on your terms. That's how many New Yorkers are earning six-figure incomes without punching a clock. High-paying part-time jobs need quick cash without a long-term commitment. Here are some of the top part-time roles that pay well and connect you to new opportunities. Bartending and serving. With tips, skilled bartenders in NYC can make over $300 a night. Dog walking and pet sitting. On apps like Rover and Wag, top earners bringing up to $4,000 a month. Tutoring. SAT prep, math, science. Private tutors can charge $50 to $100 an hour. Luxury retail. Work at places like Apple, Nike, or Louis Vuitton. Earn commissions and build your network. Tour guiding. Licensed guides earn $25 to $50 per tour. It's a great way to meet people and get noticed. These aren't just side gigs. They're stepping stones to bigger opportunities. Best jobs for beginners and immigrants starting from scratch with no experience. That's completely okay. Here are solid entry-level jobs in NYC retail and food service. Big chains pay $17 to $22 an hour and offer steady hours. Delivery driving. Drivers for Uber Eats and DoorDash earn $20 to $35 an hour. Rideshare driving. With a TLC license, Uber and Lyft drivers can earn over $2,000 a week. Remote admin and office work. Data entry and customer service jobs are available on platforms like FlexJobs. Cash jobs, bartending, construction, nannying. These often offer daily pay and fast access to income. Earn money, build experience, and open the door to new careers. Government assistance and financial resources NYC isn't just about hustle. It's also about support. If you need a financial boost, here are a few resources to know. The NYC Human Resources Administration offers cash assistance, food stamps, and rent support. NYC Free Tax Prep. File for free if you make under $85,000 a year. NYC Small Business Services offers training and funding for future entrepreneurs. The HOPE program provides job support for unemployed New Yorkers. Want more details? Visit Access NYC. It's your one-stop resource for financial aid and job programs. At City Unlocked 360, we believe knowledge is power, and we make sure you're equipped to use it. Lucrative freelancing and side hustles. Some of the top earners in New York aren't employees. They're freelancers and creators. Here's what pays well. Web development and graphic design. Freelancers on TopTal make over $100 an hour. Copywriting and blogging. Skilled writers charge $50 to $150 per article. Virtual assistants and data entry. These are beginner-friendly and pay $20 to $35 an hour. Photography and video editing. New York's media scene is always in demand. Where to find gigs? Start with platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. As you build experience, move up to TopTal and Freelancer. For local opportunities, check out NYC Creative List and Media Bistro. No boss, no office, just your skill, your rates, and direct pay. Work from home jobs for parents and caregivers. If you need flexibility, remote work can be life-changing. Top options include online teaching and tutoring. Use platforms like VIP Kid, OutSchool, and Chegg Tutors. Remote customer support and virtual assisting. Try sites like LiveOps and Arise. Selling on Etsy and eBay. Sell crafts, digital products, or resell items for passive income. Work from home lets you earn while staying close to your family. Maximize your NYC earnings. Wherever you're starting, here are some smart strategies to level up. Learn a high-income skill. Use free and low-cost platforms like Khan Academy, Coursera, and Udemy. Charge your worth. New York prices are high. Don't sell yourself short. Protect your mental health. Hustle smart, not just hard. Try tools like Headspace or BetterHelp. Working smart always beats working hard. Final note: making money in NYC isn't about luck. It's about knowing where to look and taking action quickly. Whether it's a flexible side hustle, a freelancing career, or a government-backed program, opportunity is everywhere. Choose your path, take your shot, and start building your future today. If this guide helped, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives from City Unlocked 360. Life, business, real strategies to thrive in NYC and beyond. Your city, your opportunities. Unlocked.